Hello, everyone.
It's Reggie Roo here.
Where do you think all the rubbish and recycling from your bin goes? Well, the rubbish man comes along in a big rubbish truck and takes it all the way to the dump. Look, there goes a noisy rubbish truck. And here's the rubbish man. He looks carefully in both directions before crossing the street. He loads the bin. The truck lifts it up and dumps the rubbish into the compactor. And off he goes to return the empty bin and pick up another one full of rubbish. They're collecting garden waste today. The truck has lots of flashing orange lights. Can you see where the rubbish goes at the back? This is a rear-loading rubbish truck. The truck and the rubbish men continue working as a team. Through the streets they go, collecting all the rubbish from the rubbish bins. Wow, this is exciting. The truck reverses up the narrow street. Beep, beep, beep. See the bin get lifted upside down? The rubbish falls into the truck and gets squashed by the compactor. It's fun to watch the rubbish truck go past. Do you ever hear the rubbish truck coming? The whir of the engine, or the clink-clank of the emptying bottles. There are lots of bins to be emptied today. They need 2 rubbish trucks to collect them all. And away go the truck and the rubbish men in search of more rubbish. Hooroo! Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Have you seen a mine before? A mine is a place where machines dig up minerals. There is lots of activity at the mine today. There are excavators digging up coal and a huge yellow dump truck. The yellow dump truck is so big it towers over everything, with large wheels and a bed at the back for loading earth. It would be hard to find a bigger truck. This means it can move lots and lots with every load. The bed is empty now. Oops, be careful of the rocks. The enormous excavator scoops up the earth, spins, then opens, dropping the load into the dump truck's bed. The dump truck is now full of rocks and dirt. The bed lifts up, and the load pours out the back. Wow! Do you wish you had a sandpit that big? Hooroo! Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Today, we're looking at big trucks. Semi-trailer trucks are the kings of the road. They're made up of 2 parts. The large truck with a powerful engine at the front, and a trailer that attaches to the back. The trailer can be loaded with all sorts of things. Grain, food, or even a huge rocket. Here's a small forklift loading the inside of a trailer with boxes. And here is another semi-trailer leaving a wharf. It's full of fresh fish. Semi-trailers drive all over the countryside. Past mountains, across grassy plains, and over levees.
They deliver their goods along the way. These trucks are at a sawmill. And this semi-trailer has been loaded with tree logs. The driver sits very high when controlling the truck. That must be fun. Have you seen a semi-trailer before? They're very big, aren't they? Did you know? In Australia, some really big semi-trailers have several trailers. These are called road trains. 1, 2, 3 trailers. Wow! Look how long a road train is. Hooroo!
Hi, everyone.
It's Reggie Roo here.
We're off to visit a building site today. What's that, boys and girls? That's right. It's a truck. But it's a special type of truck called a grab lorry. A grab lorry is used on building sites to move things. This grab lorry is moving dirt. The arm swings around, the claw opens, and the dirt drops onto the truck. The man is using the controls to move the arm and grab the dirt. Can you see the arm moving? There's a lot of dirt to remove from the building site today. Wow. Look at the claw spin around. The driver pats down the dirt. That way, no dirt flies out of the truck when the truck drives off. Crunch, crunch, crunch. He shakes the claw to get all the remaining dirt out. Then he places the arm on top. Now, the grab lorry is ready to drive away. He jumps up into the front to take all the dirt away. They must have picked up a lot of dirt. Do you wish you could grab that much dirt? Look at the big hole left behind. Hooroo! Good day, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Hooray! We're back at the farm again today. Would you like to see how the farmer feeds a whole shed of cows? I would too. Here comes the farmer, Carl. Carl is driving a large forklift with a telescopic arm. He attaches the shovel and begins scooping up the silage. Then he drops it into the red feeder. Silage is a mixture of different grass crops, maize, and cereals. The cows think it's yummy. Would you like to eat some too? No, that's silly. Using the green tractor, he pulls out the red feeder full of yummy silage for the cows. The feeder pulls up beside the cows. Look, here comes breakfast, says one of the hungry black cows. What's going to happen? Wow, the silage pours out. Careful you don't get hit in the head, girls, says another cow. Back and forth goes the noisy tractor. That's a lot of food. The silage jumps out the top as the feeder goes past. Look at how happy they are now, points out Eloise. Jump, jump, jump. Here comes young Purdy. She's helping to feed the cows. Thank you, Purdy. Moo. Now, Carl uses the forklift to get some straw for dessert. Lucky cows. He dumps the straw into the feeder and cuts the string. The straw chopper sprays the straw behind the cows. It goes over the top of the cows and some gets on the cow's back. Oops. Thanks, Carl, for the yummy dessert, say the cows. Now I'm hungry. Hooroo! Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. With bright flashing lights and loud sirens, it's exciting to watch a fire truck whiz past.
big red fire truck races away. You know what they carry on a fire truck? Well, there are firefighters on board who carry large hoses. There are lots of different nozzles for the hoses. Ladders that help the firefighters climb buildings. And axes and tools for cutting. There are blue flashing lights. And there are red flashing lights. When a fire truck gets to a fire, the intaker sucks up water from a hydrant, and the discharger pushes the water through the hose. The hard suction hose can suck water from a pool or lake if there isn't a hydrant around. Now the firefighters can put out the fire with the water. Would you like to be a firefighter when you grow up? It would be fun to ride on a fire truck. Hooroo! Hi girls and boys, Reggie Roo here. Have you ever seen a concrete mixer truck before? Yes? A concrete mixer has a large drum on the back that spins. Can you see the drum spin? Inside the drum, the truck mixes cement, sand, gravel, and water to make gluggy, wet concrete. The wet concrete is ready to be delivered to a building site. The drum keeps spinning, making sure the concrete doesn't dry out. At the building site, they pour the concrete out. And the builders spread the wet concrete around using trowels. For hard-to-reach places, concrete mixers get help from a concrete pump. A concrete pump has a large extendable boom arm with a hose. It sucks up the concrete from the mixer and pours it out of the hose. Now the builder can reach a really large area. Out pours the wet concrete. Splodge, splodge. All that wet concrete is very messy, isn't it? Lucky the builder has big Wellington boots and a strong apron. Finally, they make the surface nice and smooth. Did you know that when concrete dries, it becomes as hard as rock? Have you ever walked on a concrete path? Hooroo! G'day girls and boys, Reggie Roo here. It looks like we're at a building site today. Aren't we lucky? And what's that? It's a large orange forklift. The builders in their bright protective clothing are attaching something to the forks. It's a blue lifting eye attachment. It's to help the forklift pick something up. What do you think it will lift today? Can you see the red chain hanging down? They're attaching the chain to a big blue bin full of rubbish. Wow! The bin swings on the chain. The forklift huffs and puffs, slowly lifting the heavy bin. The driver carefully maneuvers the bin above an even bigger skip bin. The arm extends out. And lowers to squash down the rubbish in the skip bin. Now they tilt the bin so all the rubbish falls out. Isn't that smart? The arm then extends out again, and the bin is lowered back on the ground. Crunch. The builder undoes the chain, and off goes the forklift, ready for the next job. Hooroo! Hi, boys and girls. Reggie Roo here. Where do you think we are today? It looks like a large building site. There's lots of activity at the site today. What do you think is inside that large white silo? It's full of mortar. Can you see the mortar pour out the bottom? Do you know what mortar is? It's like glue for buildings. It goes between the bricks to hold them together. And what's happening now? The silo is empty, so a truck has come to take the silo away. Wow! Watch it lower down. Bang! Crunch! It's very heavy, even when it's empty. After doing his safety checks, the driver gets in the cabin. And off goes the truck to get some more mortar for the builders. Would you like to see more from the building site? Stay tuned. Hooroo! Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Do you know what a backhoe is? A backhoe is the great all-rounder of a building site, which means they can do lots of different jobs. Backhoes are actually 3 separate pieces of equipment combined into one. In the middle, there's a strong and powerful tractor, just like one on a farm. Therefore, it's great for moving over rough ground. At the front is the loader, which is used to push and move dirt around. And at the rear is the backhoe. It's made up of the boom, the stick, and the bucket. The backhoe is great for digging. Can you see? It's similar to an excavator. Once all the dirt has been dug up, the backhoe can use the loader to move the dirt away. What a clever machine! Backhoes also have stabilizer legs and a cabin. The legs extend out and dig into the ground. They keep the backhoe steady while it's digging. And the cabin is for the operator to sit in and control the backhoe. Toot toot! Looks like it's time for the operator to have a break. Let's go get a cup of tea. Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.